Hello, I am Rory Tegner, and I will be outlining the reasons that you may choose to study biology in higher education. So, biology is the study of all living things, called organisms. Put it simply, a living organism is a complex entity that uses energy from the environment to interact with its surroundings in order to grow and then reproduce, forming offsprings. All living things, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, descended from the same ancestor and are connected in the tree of life. Biology explores the intricate workings of all these organisms, as well as the way that they are related and interact with each other in an ecosystems to give us a profound understanding of the natural world and also our place within it. It uncovers some of the core mysteries of our world, such as the origin of life itself, as well as how and why the human brain exists, as well as many more. So why do we study biology? Humans are part of the natural world, and therefore the greater understanding we have, the more we can use it as a force for good in the world. Understanding biology allows us to make crucial advances in biotechnology, enabling us to produce life-saving treatments for diseases, like the COVID vaccine, or to genetically modify crops to withstand climate change, helping solve world hunger and food shortages, or even harness microbes to clean up pollution. Biology is also crucial for saving the wonders of our planet. Understanding the relationship between organisms and their environment is vital for implementing conservation strategies for saving the most endangered species, and also for restoring natural habitats and mitigating the damage caused by climate change. As a biologist, you could play an important role in protecting exotic species from extinction, or even help to save the planet's most valuable ecosystems. As a biologist, you could make a huge technological advancement. Nature is the greatest innovator, and many groundbreaking inventions have been inspired by adaptations found throughout the biological world. For example, studying the wings of birds have led to more efficient aircraft designs. Mechanisms of light production in fireflies were the inspiration for new LED designs, and the fins of humpback whales are being studied to improve the aerodynamics of wind turbines. Perhaps one day you could study regeneration of limbs in lizards in pursuit of a solution for amputees, or even harness the energy from photosynthesis to solve the world's energy crisis. Humans are embedded in the natural world. The study of biology allows us to understand where we come from, how we relate to the living things around us, and how we can utilize the knowledge of these organisms for positive effect. Thank you very much for listening. And if you have any further questions or information, please contact the email down below here.